Year 2012, paper 1. In this question, you are given that cos of pi by 3 is 1 by 2 and sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Pi by 3 is basically your 60 degree. So cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. The displacement of an object from a fixed point O is given by s of t is equal to t minus sin 2t. For 0 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to pi. That means it is basically first and second quadrant. Find s dash t. S dash means what? A velocity. So you already have displacement. You need to take a derivative of this. So I'm writing s of t is equal to t minus sin 2t. Derivative of t is 1 and sin 2t is cos 2t times 2t derivative is 2. So the final answer is 1 minus 2 cos 2t. In this interval, that means between 0 and pi, there are only two values of t for which the object is not moving. One value is t is equal to pi by 6, find the other value. Let's pick up the important word, that is object is not moving. Object is not moving, that means it is stopped, that means velocity is equal to 0, that means s dash t is equal to 0. S dash t we already found out, we are equating to that 0. Take this negative quantity on this side, so minus 2 cos 2t comes on this side, becomes 2 cos 2t is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 2, so cos 2t is equal to 1 over 2. Now, paper 1, calculator is not allowed, so you have to use unit circle method. Cos is positive in first and fourth quadrant. If you remember the table, cos of 1 by 2, or in the question itself they have given cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So cos inverse of 1 by 2 is basically pi by 3. So one angle we already got, which is what? Pi by 3. The other angle has to be this one, which is in fourth quadrant, because cos is positive in first and fourth quadrant. So one angle is pi by 3, which is 60 degree. The other angle is basically, this total angle is 360. If you subtract this part, which is what again same as what 60. So 360 minus 60 is basically 300. 300 is basically 5 pi by 3. So you got two answers, pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3, but those are the values of 2t. We want to find out t. So divide both sides by 2. Pi by 3 divided by 2 is pi by 6. 5 pi by 3 divided by 2 is 5 pi by 6. They have already given one value is pi by 6. Therefore, the other value has to be 5 by 6. Next part. Show that s dash t means what? A velocity. That means the answer of first part is greater than 0. That means positive between these two values of t. So what you will do, between pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30 degree and 5 pi by 6 is 150 degree. Choose any value. So right now I am considering only 90 because I know the sine of 90 and cos of 90. So I am taking 90. 90 means basically pi by 2 radian. Substitute in s dash t because they say show that s dash t is greater than 0. S dash t we already found out 1 minus cos 2t. So I am writing here 1 minus cos 2t as s dash t and putting this t value in this one. So 1 minus cos of 2 into pi by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled, so that becomes cos of pi. Cos pi is negative 1. 1 minus negative 1 is 2. 2 is greater than 0, so therefore s dash t is greater than 0. Your condition is satisfied. Last part. Find the distance traveled between these two values of t. So let's start with s of t. Integration from pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6 because that is these are the two values of t. And s dash t integration, which is 1 minus cos 2t dt. But we don't need to take this because we already know the distance or displacement, which is what? T minus sin 2t. So you can directly use that without taking an integration. Only thing condition is that write down the lower limit and upper limit behind the bracket. First you substitute t is pi by 6 here as well as here. So I am substituting t is pi by 6 minus sine of 2 into pi by 6. When you substitute upper limit and lower limit, the middle sign is a minus, so here it is a minus. Now put lower limit is pi by 6 minus sine of 2 into pi by 6. Simplify this. Pi by 6 as it is, 5 pi by 6 as it is. 2 into 5 pi by 6 is basically 2 times 3. So it is sine 5 pi by 3. Pi by 6 as it is. 2 into pi by 6 is basically pi by 3 minus sine pi by 3. This 5 pi by 6 as it is. Middle sign is minus sine 5 pi by 3. Now pi by 3 is basically 60. 60 into 5 is 300. Sine of 300 is negative. And we already know pi by 3 is sine pi by 3. We already know root 3 by 2. So sine 5 pi by 3 as it is y is negative. So it has to be negative root 3 by 2. So you can see here sine 5 pi by 3 is I am using negative root 3 by 2. Pi by 6 as it is. Sine pi by 3 we already have the value, which is again the same thing, root 3 by 2. So I am using that. Open this bracket. 5 pi by 6 minus pi by 6. Negative of negative root 3 by 2 is positive root 3 by 2, and negative of negative root 3 by 2 is positive root 3 by 2. 5 pi by 6 minus pi by 6 is 4 pi by 6. 4 pi by 6 cancellation will happen, will becomes 2 pi by 3. Root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 becomes 2 root 3 by 2, which is root 3. So this is what your final answer.